All right, guys, what's good about the GoPro roll case? This is for daytime use. So daytime use, you're gonna have this screen here. This screen that's part of the roll cage itself will protect the lens. All right, so if it's gonna take a damage, like hits a rock or something hits this is going to crack the outer part, which is just a detachable lens. The inner lens would be okay. So this is my daytime outfit. It's on a headband. I prefer the headbands. So and the reason why I went with this too is also it's rubberized. The GoPro roll cage is rubberized, so it's not going to take much of an impact if it does fall and hit. I don't think that's going to happen, but anything can happen, right? It's outdoors. So this is what I'm going to choose for my daytime. And nighttime will be the ABS plastic. And the reason I chose that one is because it has a cold shoe on the top, which I can put a sliding LED light for night use. So that is the reason why I'm going with different type of external cages for day or night. Okay, this is the roll cage. You see the little slot here? You can see that it goes all the way through. That's for your speakers here. You see the speaker mic. So that way it won't interrupt your speakers. You get your audio. Also, the lens is detachable, which is the main reason why I got this for the Hero 8. See that? It's raised above, so if there's any damage will be done to the lens cover that comes with the roll cage, not on your unit. You know, the problem with the GoPro Hero Black lens is look how it's recessed. It's part of the unit. It doesn't stick out like the other units, which means that it can have a really bad time during a break or a fall. Once that lens shatters, that's it. You're going to have to send this in. But with the unit I got, which is this one, the roll cage, it comes with an external shield here, so that should help protect any damage that's done. The damage will be done to the external lens on the roll cage and not to your phone.